Hi guys, another item from up in the loft. Robot Wars Shunt with the controller, but not the original battery. Just have a quick look underneath. I've taken the battery cover off so you can see it should have a bespoke battery that slides into there, which didn't come with it when I bought it in a charity shop. I think that's called a Tamiya connector there. There will be a playlist for the original videos because I've had this for many years. It's been sitting up in the loft for quite a while. The battery, I made up one from old Poundland power pods, as they were called. They were little modules that you were supposed to be able to charge your phone from. They were pre-charged, you used them, and then you threw them away. Well, I bought lots of them from Poundland because they were nice little batteries and they were rechargeable lithium ions. If I just move the camera a second. That's the battery I made up. So we've got two lithium ion batteries there, two more there. Those don't look very healthy. They're puffy in the middle. So I don't know if we'll be able to get them into the slot because I made these up a long time ago. Well, when I got the shunt. At the moment they appear to be taking charge, but I think the fact that that's gone puffy like that is a bit of an indicator they're not so good. Can you see the puffy in the middle? Yeah. We might have to rig something else up just so we can run it. Okay, we'll see if we can get that in there. I seriously doubt it, the way those are puffed up. I'm checking it on my battery checker. .8 volts overall, just over 4 volts in one and 3.8 in the other. I say one in the other, these are in parallel. So that's one, that's the other. As I say, that one, I think that's had it. We'll see. It might go pop when we try and get it in the shunt. No, I couldn't squeeze that battery in. It had expanded too much to go in the slot. So I'll show you what I've done in a minute when we bring it over. Basically, I've just taped it on the outside so we can at least use it. So, that way, that way. That's forwards, isn't it? Yeah, that is forwards, both together. Forwards. You might just be able to see the yellow of the batteries there, just stuck on the outside. The action is a hammer or spike that goes over like that. If you never saw the original Robot Wars, this will mean nothing to you, I suppose. But this was one of the house robots, the ones that would sit in the corner and they'd bring out to clear the debris, the mess. So yeah, that's it really. Oh, wrong way. Forwards, backwards, turn the other way, turn a bit slower. Yeah, so it still works more or less, but it need new batteries to run properly. We'll have a close-up. Yeah, I think that'll do. There's the batteries just tucked up there. They should be down in there. But that was just so we could see it running. If I wanted to use it again, I'd have to make a fresh battery pack. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.